looks clean, looks factory.
Okay. What's up? I've been on a paper chase for months.
What's good? It's your boy GK back with another video. Let's get it popping. I got something huge today and I can't wait for you guys to see it. Let me grab it real quick. This big old box contains the new rear diffuser for the GTI. I cannot wait to get this on. It's coming from ECS Tuning. That's who I purchased it from. This is gonna be super cool. Stay tuned. We're gonna install this. We're running out of daylight right now, so let's get started. All right, so now we're at the back of the car. We come underneath here on the side of the diffuser. We have one screw here. There's gonna be another one in this piece, another one on this side. And if we come all the way to the other side for the exhaust, and we come underneath, there's gonna be one on this side as well that we gotta take out, right about here. So now I'm gonna go ahead and do that. Take those 4 screws out of there, pop this diffuser out of here, and then get the new piece in. Now that all 4 of those screws are out of there, this should be as simple as pulling it out. So you're supposed to start from one side and pull it out. So let's see. That was super easy. All right, so when it was delivered, it came in this nice packaging. It also has this protective film on top of it that we got to get off of here before we put this onto the vehicle. Very, very lightweight. And the kit also comes with this bracket. So this bracket is supposed to go on the bottom and actually support the middle of the diffuser here. Pretty good metal. It also came with new screws that need to go into it. So the first thing I think we have to do is actually put this piece onto the vehicle. So let's walk over to the car and let's see what that looks like. All right, so back over to the car. If we come underneath, I'm almost positive that little kit is supposed to screw into either one of these parts here just to hold it down in place here. All right, gang, so that's on there now. So all I did was take a 13mm wrench to hold it here and a 5mm Allen and tighten it up here on both sides. So now I just gotta take this guy off of here and then get our new diffuser on. All right, so now we have the diffuser here. I'm gonna take this protective film off of it and then we just gotta slide it into place. Put those screws back in, little spots for it in the corners, but then it also sticks off the side a bit just to give it a more aggressive edge. Go ahead and get this plastic off to actually start trying to apply this into here. Now, very interesting. If you have mud flaps, this isn't gonna work together right. All right, so you can see here on this side, it doesn't wanna sit all the way up because it's touching the mud flap here. So it's either get rid of the mud flaps or shave this piece off. Now, I was actually considering shaving this piece off when I first got it, because I don't really like it sticking off on the sides like this. So what I'm gonna do is actually take this off and cut those sides off. So I think I wanna make this cut right here. Sort of like so, just to give it that clean look. And then now I won't have those side splats sitting down there. But let's do the other side. I'm gonna take a bit more off of this side just to clean it up. All right, so now both sides have been cutting down. So let's go back to the car. Let's try to get this on there. All right, so when this goes on the car, you wanna make sure that this is sitting underneath that metal bracket that you put on, and then you're gonna slide it into place. You should hear it click in all the right spots. Now we're gonna take these 2 screws that go into the bottom piece of the middle of the bracket and put them into place. One thing they did warn about is do not over tighten these. So do it by hand, so that way you make sure you don't crack your diffuser. All right, gang, so the diffuser's all on. I'm gonna wait till tomorrow. I wanna wash the car up, get it nice and clean so we can finally get some final shots of what the diffuser looks like. So I'll see you guys in the morning. And just like that, GTI is done. Rear diffuser is on. Your boy actually customized it just a bit, chopped the sides off of it. Last night, me and Shorty, we took it, we masked it off, and then put gloss black paint on it. This makes it look so much cleaner. Let me show you the finished product. That's it from the side. As you can see there, that's where I cut it. And come to the other side. So as you can see, it looks so much better now. Looks clean, looks factory, and your boy gets to keep his mud flaps that I like. One day I might take them off. That might be when we lower the car. But for right now, I like the mud flap look. The rear diffuser I am super happy with. If you don't have those mud flaps, you do not have to do that customization. But I did end up doing that customization, so I masked it off, painted the sides. Me and Shorty, thank you. A lot of good help. I really appreciate you. Car is looking much better. I love the way this rear diffuser looks. I hope you guys like it too. Hope you stay tuned for the next video. Boy signing out. Make sure to hit that like button, the subscribe button down below. Can't wait to see you in the next video. It's your boy, we signing out. Peace.
Okay, what's up? I've been on a paper chase for months. I've been on a marathon.